Our planet is in crisis. The air we breathe, the land we live on, and the oceans that sustain life all are in danger. This is not just one problem. It is a triple planetary crisis: climate change, biodiversity loss, and pollution. Before we face this problem, let's understand what sustainable development means. Sustainable development is about meeting the needs of the present without compromising the ability of the future generations to meet their needs. It means growing as a society economically, socially, and environmentally without destroying the earth. It is important because our survival depends on it. Without balance, our planet cannot sustain life. The triple planetary crisis is the greatest challenge humanity faces today. Climate change, caused by too much greenhouse gases from burning fuels, deforestation, and industrial activities. It results in extreme weather, rising temperatures, and floods. Biodiversity loss. Millions of species are disappearing because of habitat destruction, pollution, and human greed. Every lost species weakens our ecosystems. Pollution. Our lands, waters, and air are filled with waste, especially plastics and toxic chemicals. Pollution poisons not just nature, but also us humans. But there is still hope. We can protect and restore our environment by taking action. Practice the 3 R's. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Plant more trees and support reforestation projects. Avoid single-use plastics and switch to eco-friendly materials. Conserve water and energy every day. Support cleanup drives and environmental campaigns. Remember, every small action counts. To mitigate climate change, we must lessen greenhouse gas emissions and adopt cleaner ways of living. We can use renewable energy such as solar, wind, or hydropower. Promote sustainable transportation like biking, carpooling, or walking. Practice energy efficiency at home and in school. Support tree planting programs that absorb carbon dioxide. As a student, my initiative is to start an eco-awareness movement in our school, sharing environmental tips, organizing waste segregation campaigns, and encouraging classmates to bring reusable bottles and containers. But remember, this solution will only happen if we people will cooperate. No one can solve this crisis alone. In the Philippines, there are laws that aim to protect our environment. Republic Act 9003, the Ecological Solid Waste Management Act, which promotes proper waste segregation and disposal. Republic Act 9749, the Clean Air Act, which ensures clean air for all Filipinos. Republic Act 9275, the Clean Water Act, which protects our water bodies from pollution. Republic Act 9512, the Environmental Awareness and Education Act, which strengthens environmental education in schools. These laws exist, but they will only be effective if they are properly implemented and if the public cooperates. We must follow, support, and spread awareness about these laws, because when citizens and the government work hand in hand, true change happens. Our planet is crying for help. The triple planetary crisis is real, but so is our power to stop it. Let us all become guardians of Earth, protectors of life, and voices for change. Together, through sustainable development, environmental protection, and climate change mitigation, we can build a better, greener, and safer future. Because this solution will only happen if we, people, will cooperate. Act now, protect tomorrow.